Sir, the new one turbo, sir. The problem, turbocharged cannot move. I think to Equator, but Equator no problem. Yung problem this one, not move. The Ford Ranger. This one, the old one. The old one can move. The turbocharged. The old one. But the new one cannot move. That's why only 60 saja yang jalan. This turbocharged, not this one, the old one. Boleh erase this one. The new one cannot. This is the new one. I take out also the Equator. I think the Equator, but Equator is okay. This one saja. Jam. Mungkin pasang belum put oil kali.